Taiwanese prosecutors have questioned 4 people, including current and former employees, in their investigation of a Taiwanese company linked to pagers that were used in deadly explosions in Lebanon, allegedly targeting Hezbollah. Israel is suspected of being behind the attack, though it has not confirmed this. Taiwan-based Gold Apollo denies manufacturing the devices, which were traced to a Hungary-based company. The investigation is ongoing, with Taiwan working to resolve the case quickly, the New York Post has reported. Gold Apollo's president and a related company employee were previously questioned but have not commented.